Kimi, box. We'll do a start, and we keep looking at these lights. We should not influence the start. And again, we will need 3 burnout in mode 4, please, and a static bypass. Okay, Kimi will find nobody on pit exit at the moment.
Can I do something about it? Is it actually on, or is this the light?
Yeah, it's not very clear at the moment. We are working on it. I'll let you know. Do you think it can do one more lap in terms of tire-wise?
Yeah, but I need to know if it's on or off. Is it just the light that's stuck on, or I need to know that? You should be able to see it pretty easily.
Sure, I'll come back to you. Stand by. Okay, we'll have Stroll pushing behind 5 seconds. Okay, 6 seconds to Stroll. Okay, so this special business, the light is on, but it doesn't seem active. So it seems to be only the light's the problem. 2 seconds for Stroll.
Okay, can you check if it's active now when I pushed it once?
Now it's on. Now it's not. So it seems a light problem. And then you have Vettel 2 seconds after Stroll. And now it's off again. And after Vettel, you have 2 cars out lap. Okay, the next one pushing is now Sainz. He will come quickly. He's 4 seconds behind pushing. Sorry, 5 seconds.